All right, so as you can see, this is our Gaming Plus, and we are here to do business with you. Yes, for those who do graphic design and other stuff, this is what you need. You need this kind of high-end machine that is going to help you. Yes, we do deliver everywhere, any part of this country. We deliver it for you. Yes, at an affordable price. So just call on us with all your gaming needs. These are machines that we built for gaming purposes and work purposes, industrial use and every use. And we have controllers also. Anything about gaming, anything about high-end machine, graphic cards, boards, RAMs, you see, processors and everything. We have it. We have it here. So just contact us. We are just ready. So I'll just put the number on the status there. So just call the number or just DM me. That is it. We are ready for business. Yes, we are ready for business.